So as I'm watching Indiana Jones and editing at the same time, most of the time for anyone new that ran across this video, I always tell who I am and what we're doing today. But for some strange reason, it didn't upload or save on the GoPro. So I don't want you guys to be lost. We are taking the A5 to the dealer, and some other stuff is going to happen in the video. Make sure you stay to the end so you can, get up to date with everything. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. And I think the first clip you're going to see is me getting on the highway. And the Honda just ruined the lesson for today. Well, maybe it didn't. Maybe we slow up just a little bit. Let's see. All right, here we go. Interest reps 101 in the A5. Not bad, not bad. And now the fun has ended. Alright, you guys, we are here at Audi of Birmingham, and just like I showed you guys earlier, those are Michelin Pilot Super Sports that are in the back. So I'm gonna go and get checked in, and I guess we'll take a look around. So as I'm coming around the corner, not only is there one R8 in the inside, but there is another R8 here. I have seen this one a few times, and I just love the color. I'm not sure if it's the actual color or if it's a wrap, but it's very nice. Carbon fiber wing. And I just love how you can see like the engine and everything in the back. And I think they just got out of it because it is hot and you can hear it like popping. I walked across the street to the Dodge dealer, and the Audi dealer's over there. But I remember when the Rubicon Gladiator first came out, these were so hard to even look at and or get one, and they have a whole row of them. I've been looking at them for a minute. For those of you that know me personally, know I've always wanted a Jeep like these, but I want the Jeep. I don't actually want the Gladiator. It's personal preference, nothing wrong with the Gladiator. But I thought it was strange because like half of them have like the same trim level package. It's like, as you see, it's like 7 Rubicons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every last one of them has just about the same package, and they all just about have tan interior except for one of the white ones. And the one white one that I think has the black seats that I like is higher because it has a camera in the front. So apparently I think that was probably new for 2020. I don't really know that much about these, but I do like them. So I was just peeking around, wasting a little time until the A5 finished, which I already know how much the maintenance on it is, and we're gonna break all of that down when I get it back. But I'm gonna keep looking around. I'm gonna try to see if they have a Hellcat. Last time they had one, but let's go see. They always keep them in the back. I don't know why. All right, you guys. So I was looking, and they have no Hellcats. As a matter of fact, the only challenge that I saw was a green TA, and apparently that's somebody's that works there. So I didn't go over there by it. So pretty much now I'm just really walking around. I think this is the customer side. So sometimes there's some pretty interesting stuff that's over here. Oh look, speaking of the devil, looks like it's been lowered. Oh, it's an RS7. This thing is sick. Don't know what the problem might be, but they have boxes and stuff in the back. So by the way it looks like it's in some rough shape, and this is a Black and Mild container back down the back. But let me see, there's an S5 over here. So as I can tell, like I just said, I'm pretty much walking around just wasting time until my car is done. It was not an RS5, it was an RS3. So I saw this from the inside. These things are really nice. I don't technically see myself ever buying one of them. I really don't care too much for 4-doors, and this one is somebody's as well. As you can see, the tag says 5 seal there, which it kind of blew my mind that these were 5 cylinders. Well, not were, they are 5 cylinders. But when I found out, I thought it was like a 4-cylinder or a V6. But they are pretty cool. They're actually supposed to be really quick too, from my understanding, coming off the line, and some other stuff. But I don't know if that red one right there, I don't know if that is an RS5 or an S5. But let's go and look and see. Before I actually even got my Audi, I was looking for an S5 or an RS5, but I could not find one anywhere close to me. And I just wound up coming in and mine was in here, so I liked it and grabbed it, which for some reason I have like this bad problem with like grabbing cars and not like doing research on them and modding them and making them quicker. So, which brings me to another point. I'm totally unsure if I'm gonna wind up keeping my Audi or not. I know I've said it 3 or 4 times, but you know, it's just something to look at. It is an S5, so this would be like one of the other ones that I was looking at, and it's red. You guys that know me know I do not care for red at all, but it's pretty clean. It's really clean. Reminds me of my boo, who's somewhere around here. I was trying to look, see if I saw it. I didn't see it. But yeah, the inside, I love like how the RS and A5 seats look. They're like totally different from mine, which I'm not complaining about my seats at all because I love them. But I think they might have just got this one in. I'm not sure if it's somebody's or what, because I mean, it's still got that on the steering wheel and that on the seat. I don't know, maybe it's been serviced. Totally unsure. But I'm about to go back in the inside because it is hot as hell out here, and it's just 10:31. And this is the other R8 I was telling you guys about. I'm not sure which one I like best between this one and the one that's outside. The one outside I think will grab your attention quicker than this one, but this one is a very nice color. I don't know. I probably would get this one, being honest. What's the window sticker price? Let's see. Don't see it. 216 445. So 216 445, and you can have an R8. All right, you guys, we are back in the A5 right now, and we're on our way back home. And when I get back in, I'm going to go over how much it costs and what got done to it, so you guys will know what it's like doing maintenance on an Audi A5, and if it's something that you want to get into or not. So I'll catch you guys when we get home. All right, you guys, it is a whole day later. I got kind of hung up. Oh, wait a minute. Is it coming down here? Nope. Well, at least y'all heard it. But yes, you guys, it is a whole nother day. So what we're about to do now is bag the A5 out of the garage, and we're going to go over everything off of the list of what got done maintenance wise. So I'll let you guys decide if you think it's worth it or not, and I'll give you the reason I think it's worth it or not in my head as well. So before we took it to the dealership, you guys, the Pirelli P0s that were on here, it was time for some new tires. So I was debating for the longest if I was going to go back with the P0s or if I was going to get something else. I did not do the P0s. I went with the Michelin Pilot Super Sports, and this is my first time ever having Pilot Super Sports, and they are amazing. They grip like mad. So for a set, keep track because it's gonna get rough. For a set of these to go on here, I was out of right at $1,100, which for, you know, car enthusiasts, all of us know how much Pilot Super Sports costs. It's not a surprise. But let's get off into how much the maintenance on this costs. Before we get off into how much the maintenance this time costs, this is my second time doing maintenance on this car. So the first time I went to the dealer, it was just for an oil change, and it ran me back 200 bucks. Yes, 200 bucks to get the oil changed in this car, the car that you guys are on. So this time, you can only imagine how much I spent getting everything on this done. So really quick, everything that was done to the car, we got new tires put on, mounted and balanced. We got an oil change, the spark plugs were replaced, and the air filters in it, cabin air filters, were replaced as well. And all of this came out to a whopping $810. No, it is not a joke. I wish I was making it up, but I'm looking at it right here. I will even show you guys. As you can see right there, 810 bucks for the maintenance on this car. And what gets you, it is not the parts. It is not the parts at all. If you look right here in the description with everything, the labor is what kills you. So to me, for everything that is done on this car, do I think it is worth $810? Absolutely not. Hell no, it is not worth $810 to get things like this done to your car. If you've done it on your own, you, as you saw on the sheet, will probably be out of about 150 bucks at most. Do I think you could do it yourself? Absolutely. I mean, there's probably tons of videos online showing you how to change spark plugs and do everything else. But the reason I took it to the dealership is because, being honest, I have no idea what the future of the channel holds with this car. I love it. Do I want to sell it? I don't know. Have I thought about selling it? Absolutely, several times. But there you guys have it. The car has like 34,000 miles. So if you have an A5 and you take your car to the dealership to get it maintained and everything that goes along that line, when you hit the 34,000 mile mark, I think the maintenance is like 35,000. So once you hit that bracket area, those are the things that are going to change on your A5. I'm not sure if it's like that with other Audis. I'm quite sure it probably is. But we're speaking about the A5 you guys can expect to spend $810. Now I'm not sure if it's different from different dealerships or what, but that is how much it costs to get this serviced yesterday. And also, one other modification that I've done that I did not film is I took the stock intake out and we went with the CTS turbo intake, and I will do a review on this in the next video, and I still have to do the POV drive with this. So coming up after we do all those videos, I'm still going to do a tune on this because we have to take the speed limit off. So that pretty much does it for the A5 in this video, you guys. Now it's time for the news for the H3. As you can see, you can look around. It is not anywhere in the driveway. It is not anywhere down there. It is not anywhere in the backyard where I would park it at sometimes. And the reason for that is it's gone. No, it is not gone getting work done to it. It is actually sold. I sold the H3, when was it, like Wednesday this past week. So I'll put a Snapchat clip of the owner walking around it right here. So as you guys saw in the clip, he was walking around and checking it out. The reason I sold it, it was more things on it that needed to be done, and it was just a time thing. I would want to say it was nothing at all wrong with it, minus the air. Pretty much the owner texted me about it not too long ago, and he absolutely loves the truck. The only thing that he really has to do is just fix the air conditioning in it. The engine in it and everything running very, very, very strong, and I low-key kind of hate I sold it. But hey, it's gone, so it's just time for something that's new on the channel, which brings me to the next point. What do you think I should get new? I have a bracket that I want to stay in, and it is mosquitoes flying and breathing everywhere around me. This is crazy. But what do you guys think I should get next for the next car to bring to the channel because I want something else as well. I really don't want to drive this every day. So I would like to hear what you guys think. What should I get next to bring to the channel? I do like the idea of maybe doing a Jeep. Then I don't know. I kind of want to cleanse my muscle car itch because I want something really fast. I can shift main gears in. Not really fast, but you know, we can make it really fast. But that pretty much does it for this video, you guys. So if you like my style of how I do my car vlogs and everything like that, please make sure you follow me and hit that like button. Likes help so much. And you guys, I'm finally past 100 subscribers. Thank you so much. I'm so hyped. It does not seem like I am, but I am. I remember when I first started YouTube and I like dreamed of just getting 50 on my automotive channel, and I have doubled that. So I cannot wait to see, you know, how far we get in the future and different stuff like that. Have to stay optimistic, always dream. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace, and I'll see you in the next one. And by the way, I have a new pet. His name is Stretch. Stretch is a chameleon. So I might start adding Stretch in some of the videos if you guys like watching him eat and stuff. He's kind of shy. He might start moving the closer you guys get. He may not. But that's Stretch.